What is the key to a healthy life, a fit body, and a good mood? Movement. Excessive exertion, wrong movements, or previous situations can cause injuries. NCS is now proud to present two devices that will help orthopedists and physiotherapists to precisely identify the diagnosis and define the best treatment. Showmotion and Shoulder Pacemaker. Your trusted professional will be guided by Showmotion in the assessment of the motor problem through an accurate movement analysis, a telemetry of the human body. The acquisition takes just a few minutes and provides detailed reports, guiding the doctor in his decisions. The next step is rehabilitation with the Shoulder Pacemaker, the only electrostimulation device that recognizes movement and activates when necessary. The practitioner can choose from specific rehabilitation protocols already available. After a brief training session, the patient is autonomous in performing the exercises, supervised by his or her physician, in person or remotely. Shoulder Pacemaker is the ideal solution, allowing the doctor to optimize time and costs by offering the patient a specific treatment and a personalized experience. Creativity, quality, and scientific research meet at NCS to safeguard health. Thanks to new technologies, simple and above all, designed to solve patients' real problems.